In this video, I'll be showing you how to use our newly launched Precision Bar Soap Cutter. This cutter comes with 2 molds. Each of the mold takes 14-liter batter, but this my soap I want to cut with it is not full. So it might not get the height we want, but I will show you how to use it. So this is one of the cutter, then the other one is another cutter. Can you see? Beautifully made with the best of materials, the best of wood. I don't compromise on quality. Quality is a standard. It comes with 1 groove, 1 trimmer. Have you seen it? Complete soap making tool. This is a blade. It comes with 2 blades. This is one of the blades. Very easy to use. I'm going to be showing you how to use it here. This is the second blade. It comes with 2 molds. Each of the mold will take 14 liters batter. Each of the mold takes 14-liter batter. I'm not saying 14-liter oil. I said batter. It depends on the method you're using. Look at it. It's just like a straight board. It's not like a table that has legs. It's a straight board. So you put it either on the floor to cut or you put it on a table. Can you see my soap? It's not full. It's supposed to be a 14-liter batter mold, but this is 13 liters. So take notes. When you're making your soap, this is an acrylic stamp. And we also have metal stamp. All these are available for sale and we can deliver to you anywhere. We have different types of cutter though, but this is our newly launched cutter. We have our adjustable cutters that you can use to cut any size of soap. We have our mini foldable cutter that I recommend for starters. That one is very affordable. We have our commercial cutter also, but this one is our newly launched, the best, the baby of the house. Can you see the soap? I'm bringing it out. This soap is supposed to be 14 liters, but I used 13 liters, so it's not full. So please take note, you're using 14-liter batters. So this is the 2 wood. Can you see the type of wood I use? The best of wood, the best of quality. I don't compromise on quality at all. So watch me as I cut the soap very, very easily. It gives me very equal bars, very neatly cut, and no off cut, 0 waste. Say no to waste. So just watch me, and I'm going to show you something. I would have edited this part, but I want you to see something. That's why I'm showing you this part. So just watch me as I cut. So just ensure that there is a particular one that is not full. Ensure that it is at the last one and ensure that it is touching the body of the cutter so that the body of the cutter will act as a guide for you. So you just put it and you push. Push, push, push. Ensure it's touching the body. That's what I'm telling you. Ensure it's touching the body of the cutter. Because it's on a table, can you see it's difficult to cut? This is what I now did. I have given you an idea. So place it near a wall. Let a wall be a guard for you. It was shaky. So I had to bring it close to a wall. So this wall now, my wall is acting as a guard. So look at it. The first cutter has given me my long bars. The first cutter, look, do you see how I cut it very easily? Very, very easily. The first cutter will give you your long bars. We have measured this already. This size, this mold will give you the size of the Viva soap. The Viva 230 or 180 bars. This is the size. This size will give you Viva. So it gave me 12 long bars. No off cut. 12 long bars. Can you see? 12 long bars. So I remove the first cutter or the first blade. I'm using the second blade. This is the first blade. Can you see? I've removed it. I'm using the second blade. So this first blade is a smaller blade that give me those long bars. Then this second blade will give me my small bars. Though you can start with any one though, but this is the way I choose to start. Can you see? See how easily it is to cut my soap. See how neatly, equal bars, no one bar being bigger than the other one. It cuts very evenly, very equally, very neatly. See, very easy to use. Can you see? And it cuts plenty bars at once. In case you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Ogechi Madukoma. On this channel, I teach you how to make bar soap and other cleaning hygiene products. Also very equal bars, very, very neat. I also help you to start and scale your business. So if you're coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe and also check my channel for other value-packed videos. You'll be glad you did. You will like what you will see. See, you can either place it 2-2 and cut, or just cut 1-1. I'm showing you different things you can do, different things that are possible. Just 1-1 straight, simple, no hassle at all, no stress. Completely cut, no off cut, zero waste. Can you see? Completely cut, no off cut, zero waste, because we measure to press. That's why I call this our precision cutter. Our precision cutter, cost to precision. The other place I would have, the only place I would have been the off cut is the end. I did not cave the down of my mold work. Can you see? 72 bars from one mold. So it comes with 2 mold. The 2 mold will give you 144 bars at a stance. Can you see? 72 bars from one mold, 144 from 2 mold. So let's trim the soap. It also comes with this trimmer and also a groove. It does not come with a stamp, but if you want the stamp, we can make a stamp for you. It does not come with a stamp, but if you want a stamp, we can make a stamp for you. So this is a trimmer. You can trim it anyhow. You cannot choose to trim only the straight edges. You can also choose to trim the head, depending on the shape you want to get. If you're making bathing soap, the first trimming is beautiful. You can use that. So we are putting groove now. This groove here is a bigger groove. I'm going to be using a smaller one for it to be very equal. So if you know you want this cutter, send a WhatsApp message now, because right now it is hot. So send your WhatsApp message now so that we can get it delivered to you anywhere. Just send a message to 234-8029-0466 and 05. So let's stamp our soap. 08029. Can you see? This is our acrylic stamp. Can you see? This one is made. This stamp is for one of my customers. Let's use our metal stamp. So send a WhatsApp message now to 08029-046605 and we'll get it delivered to you anywhere. These are metal stamp. So we have both metal stamp and acrylic stamp. Thank you.
Wow, just received my parcel. Glomajos or nothing. I really appreciate your trust. Wow, my soap cutter. Came in very neat. Very neat. Wow, Glomajos. Very neat. I love it. I really love it. Adjustable cutter. Wow. Very neat. Very neat. I'll order more from you. Yeah, exactly. I'll order more from you. Glomajos. She's trustworthy. Very trustworthy. I love it. Yeah, I love it. Look at the adjustable. Very flexible. Very flexible. You can adjust it to your satisfaction. Yeah, I love it.
Hi, Glomajos. Good afternoon. Please, here is your customer from Ghana, Madam Dela. The Ladell stamp she did for me. Here is my cutter. I have to use it. And here is the first cavity that I used to cut my bar. And here is the second cavity. That's why I've arranged the soap. So each cavity and each shape that she gave me and each measurement she gave me. So here's the second cavity, third cavity, fourth cavity. So here is my soap. See the color. I use red, then it turns to pink. I changed it. I did 2 colors. Right? And my liquid soap also, I'm working towards it so that I will show it to you. See how the bubbles are really moving. See them. Maybe add water. Thank you very much.
You see where these ones are living now. This one is going to Ghana. So I'm taking it to the park. My dispatch taking it to the park where to go to Ghana. This one is within Lagos, but it's Janopaja. So you see that we are set. We are moving. So when you order from us, just go to sleep. We will deliver. I ensure you. This one was ordered for yesterday. They made payment for it yesterday, and I'm already delivering today. This one is going to the park. This one is going to Ghana. It's going to Ghana. And this one and one other item there is also within Lagos. So just order and go to bed. We will deliver. Glomajos, we always deliver. We always deliver. Just order and go to bed. Look at how they are buying these foldable cutters. They are just washing it. If you've not bought your own, I don't know what you're waiting for. So we're on our way to serve our new owners. Bye-bye. Ensure you serve your owners very well. Very well. If you want to order yours, just send me a WhatsApp message on 234-8029-0466 and 05. We can deliver to you anywhere in Nigeria, even in Ghana, in Togo, in Benin Republic, and just tell me. I'll ensure it gets to you, in good condition. Thank you so much. I'll be expecting your order. Let me take the number again. So we are going. Bye-bye. This one's our go. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Go on to customer.